Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Education of English Language. I am Dakshita Jhala, back with one MOJ ID video. Before starting the video, I would request to our viewers that if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press all the bell icons. So we have two brilliant spokesperson between us. One side Mr. Harsh and another side Mr. Rohit is here. So today's our GD topic is, does tourism affect environment? So who is going to favor this topic? Okay.
Hello, my name is Vardhan and today's our topic is, does tourism affects environment? So I am in favor of this point. So my first point is depletion of natural resources. As we can see that when tourism come at tourism places, they overuses the water resources and local resources. In water resources, as we know that they overuses in at hotels, in swimming pools, and they don't care about this kind of things. And in local resources, they uses more electricity and raw materials, and they're doing wastage of foods. And so my second point is pollution. At tourist places, tourists throwing garbage here and there, and they uses more transportation. This leads to more air pollution, and these all are my points. If you have any question, please ask me.
Very well speak. So I have one question, which is how tourism leads the great pressure on local resources.
Tourism can create a great pressure on local resources, because they are using more electricity, they overusing of electricity, and wasting of foods, and overusing raw materials at local resources. So these are my views.
Okay, I have one more question.
Okay.
So my second question is, because of tourism, various places like biodiversity park, zoos, all are created, which makes the environment and surrounding very beautiful and interesting. So what are your views on it?
Yes, you are right. I agree your point. But if you see the other side, tourism damages that place, they're doing smoking and throwing garbage here and there, and doing other bad things on that place. So.
Okay, good answer. So now it's my turn. So my name is Rohit, and today I am against this topic because tourism leads to the investment of the infrastructure, which leads to the beautification of that particular place and preservation of various monuments. From tourism, it leads more area and more development, which gives you various job opportunities also. Tourism is incentive to preserve the natural environment. Tourism gives you the international connections, and tourism helps to promote nations on global map. At last, I would like to say that tourism doesn't affect environment. Instead, it gives a new environment in different ways. So that's all are my points. If you have any queries, please ask me.
You spoke very well. I have one question. What about pollution? Tourists uses more transportation. This leads to air pollution, and they throw garbage at the tourist places. This leads to land pollution.
See, not only the tourists are responsible for the pollution, but other people are also equally responsible for that pollution.
Okay.
Anything else?
No.
So nice points mentioned by both of you. I'll request to our viewers, if you guys have any question regarding this stuff, please mention it in the comment section. And we guys are also learners, so if you think we have committed any mistake in our GD, then please write it down that in the comment section. Thank you for watching us. Thank you guys.
Thank you, ma'am.